Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin by brewing concentrated tea so the final mocktail keeps flavor over ice. Steep 4 tea bags in 4 cups of near-boiling water for 3 to 5 minutes. This extracts enough tannin and aroma without bitterness. While that steeps, you make a simple syrup by dissolving 1/3 cup sugar in 1/2 cup hot water. This ensures sweetener disperses evenly. Once the tea has steeped, remove the bags and stir in the syrup, while it's still warm so the flavors marry smoothly. Once done with the base, you layer flavor and cool the drink. Add 1 cup fresh citrus juice, lemon or orange, or half a cup fruit puree for depth. Acidity balances sweetness and lifts aroma. Make sure to dilute with 3 to 4 cups cold water and stir in about 2 cups of ice to reach the right strength for sipping. Then chill the pitcher in the fridge for 30 to 45 minutes, or place it in an ice bath to drop temperature fast, so the ice in glasses won't melt too quickly. You finish by pouring the mocktail over fresh ice and adding garnishes like mint and citrus slices. A splash of sparkling water creates a refreshing lift. Taste once poured and adjust. Add simple syrup if it's flat, or a squeeze of lemon if it's too sweet, because balance is what makes it sip-worthy. If the tea is bitter or cloudy, strain it through a fine sieve, dilute with cold water to soften tannins, and note to steep a touch less time on your next batch to avoid overextraction.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.